So let's reload some ammo. I just bought these bullets, Classic Hunter by Fox Bullets, company, small company from Slovenia. I have some Lovex gunpowder and we'll do a test loading of 5 shots in 1 grain increments from 48 to 52 grains of powder. $47, $82, $48 grains exactly. So let's do the visual power check. So we will now set up the seating die. So I'll take the shell holder, put it into the ram, put a sized, primed and charged case into the shell holder, unscrew the seating plug, unscrew the die body till it touches the mouth of the case. Okay, now I back it off for 1 full turn so I don't crimp. And now let's take a look at the bullets. This is a Slovenian made bullets out of some copper alloy, so no dangerous lead. $130 grains. Okay. I'll take a measuring device and measure the length of the bullet is 28.6 millimeters. Okay. So let's insert the bullet. Now I can feel it starting to get into the neck of the case. We are now at 87. I think about 85 is the maximum SAAMI spec for length of 30-06, which is this case. So I loaded several rounds with different cartridge overall lengths. You can see the different insertion of the bullet into the case neck, and I'm trying whether I can close the bolt or insert a bullet into a chamber without engaging the rifling. Regarding the specific form of the bullet, which has this pressure relief diameter, probably to go with the published recommended factory cartridge overall length would be probably advisable. So you have a maximum contact between the girth of the bullet and the neck. So I will probably get around a touchdown into the lens in my particular rifle or around 81 millimeters. I'll verify that later. So if I back off 1 millimeter, which is usually what I do for hunting purposes. We are then right at the factory recommended cartridge overall length at 79.7. So I loaded some different cartridges with different cartridge overall lengths. So we are starting at 80.7. 80.2. 80.1. 79.8. 79.7. These are approximate values because I'm measuring at the tip, and tip can be a bit distorted. So I'll just try those loads in the rifle. Still binds, but close on bolt with no problem. I determined previously that we are into the lens at about 81 millimeters. So it seems that at 80.4 we are just about right. So this is 80.4, and I can close with no effort. I can even use the cocker. So for this particular rifle, the factory recommended length of 79.7 millimeters seems like just the right length. What I have to do now is to insert the bullets to the same overall length of 79.7 millimeters as the last one. Yes. And the last one, recheck. 79.7-ish. Great, so tomorrow we hit the range and we will see what will the result show.